Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Gold today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, gold market opened around 28,840. So you can see this tiny box, black color box. All the black color box indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. So yesterday gold market opened around 28,840, which is just below the previous day's closing and also between the previous day's low and the previous day's closing. So what we expected yesterday is that we expected gold to stay in downtrend, having this 28,920 and 28,960 as a major resistance zone. If there is anything above 28,960 and if the price is closing above 28,960, then we expect gold to reverse its trend. That is, we expect the market to go for buying just above 28,960. If the gold price is staying below, then till this zone we expected gold to continue its downtrend. That is what we expected. Let us see what happened after the price opening around 28,840. So after the price opening around 28,840, you can notice that the gold market was consolidating and it is taking some support around 28,820, which is the low yesterday's, that is the previous day's low. You can see that the market was consolidating here for a long time, very long time. It is a great consolidation that happened. The market is trying to take some decision here, but it is taking some support around 28,820. It is clearly taking some support on 28,820, and just after that it ended into the key decision zone, which we expected that the market can have some resistance. So after taking some support around 28,820, you can very well notice that the market entered into the key decision zone of 28,920 to 28,960, where we expect the market to have some selling. If the price is going to break this 28,960, then market can reverse its trend to buying. So let us see what happened around the zone of major zone of 28,920. Let us see that. So after entering into this zone, the market has taken some resistance along with the short-term moving average, which means that the market has provided some selling here. You can notice that after taking some zone, that is the reason we always pick a particular resistance zone. And also we say that support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone, because we will explain you later. After taking some resistance, you can very well notice that the market has dropped and it was quite successful in breaking this 28,820 and reached 28,750, near 28,750. If you remember what this 28,750 is all about and why we have drawn this line, is that last week on Friday the market just reached this 28,760. That was the low on last week low, and also this 28,760 provided a lot of support for gold market. That pushed the market till this zone. You can very well notice that after testing, you can see that after going, let us go back and see that. So this is the zone where on Friday you can see that 28,760. The market has provided a lot of support around this zone. You can see how many times the market has created. It is a very long consolidation happened to take a decision, and that pushed the market. This is the Monday price opening. Whenever I am placing the candlestick cursor on the candlestick, it will show you the date below. So this is the Monday market. So that pushed the market higher till 29,160. You can see this after entering into this under 29,120 and 29,160, then there was a drop. So now this thing is happening again. You can notice that after 28,000 on Friday, after testing 28,760, it went till 29,120 and entered into 29,120 zone, and again it has dropped down. So let us see this, since this is a major level, let us see what had happened after that. So there was some good buying happened in 28,760, but you can notice that the market has completely reversed its trend after taking some support around 28,760. That is why we always say, while trading, particularly while trading in gold, you should be very strong in support and resistance and picking up the zone, and we should always remember the price action that has happened earlier. So rather than depending more on software, you should use your brain and put all the things in your mind to see what has happened in the past. So after testing, after taking some support around 28,760, since that is a major support zone in gold market, the market showed some clear bounce back. It is a 100% retracement. What happened, you can see it has taken some, and it is more importantly, it has entered into the key decision zone, which we expected to have some selling. So let us see what happened after that. After entering into the zone, there was some resistance. Let us see whether the market is quite successful. No, the market was successful in breaking this 28,960. You can see it is a very clear gain in gold market, and the market was consolidating here, and it went to a high of around 29,160 and closed around 29,120. So this is how the gold market reacts. So there was initially, you can see, to half of the session the market was with the trend, and it has provided us some 200 points profit. But after that, there was a gain of around 400 points gain. From 28,760 it has gone till 29,160 and closed above that. So it is very clear that the low, you can notice that when we compare the open, low and high analysis, the opening is lower than the previous day's close, and a new low was created than the previous day, and also the new high is created, which is high and created, and the closing above that this clearly indicates a buying momentum. So this is how the market will react in gold market. Whenever you get an opportunity, try to book profit, so don't be more greedy. So this is how the market will react in gold. Try to be very strong on support and resistance, and most importantly, place your stop loss. That can always protect you at least to maximum minimum losses. Place some stop loss, because every day you are going to get an opportunity. Every day the market is there. When the market is consolidating, we can pick it up properly. So today what we expect is that today we are expecting gold to open more or less near the same zone. So today also we are expecting gold to open around 29,120, more or less near the same zone. We can expect gold market to open. So from 29,100 to 120, you can expect the market to open here. There is no doubt about the trend. Again, you can notice that we can take this 28,920 and 28,960 as the zone for buying also. We are going to take this zone, and we are going to swing on both the sides of this zone unless until we clear this zone very comfortably, which is going to decide the trend. So what you can do is that you can go for a buying till 28,920, and you can have a stop loss around 28,900. Whenever you are averaging, please make a note, try to book profit for the average lots at the regular time interval. That can help you to minimize your loss and maximize your profit. And again, the profit target, you can notice the importance of 28,960. So you always know that so last week the market clearly struggled to break this area. So if the gold market is quite successful in breaking this area, it is again going to be a huge gain. You can well expect 29,320 and 29,360 in near term. So what you can expect is that you can expect 28,029 if the trend continues. Surely, if you are going to average till this zone, try to book profit for the average lots at regular time interval. That can help you to minimize your loss and maximize your profit. There is one doubt which was asked by most of the traders through email and various queries there regarding comparing the price action in USD, because it is showing some MCX price is showing some reversal, and it is not correlating with the international prices. Even when the price in USD gold quoted in US dollars is low, MCX price is giving some momentum. What we want to tell is that please go and watch the gold against euro chart. So gold in euro, that is clearly following quite up. It is following some MCX prices also. So if you can, because because in the earlier days when we are trading in gold, we used to watch USD against euro, and we used to watch the stock market prices and various factors in technicals. Even in technicals, we need to watch this, how the US markets are behaving, and we need to watch how the US and the US dollars against euro is behaving. But nowadays in gold alone we have three charts. One is that MCX chart, and another thing is that the gold against USD chart, and against now it is new thing is gold against euro chart. So we need to see that is the difficulty in trading in gold market. But if you are strong in technicals, that is based upon support and resistance, that is a major reason why we always insist that trading in gold, you need two things. How you should have sufficient funds. The second thing is that very strong support and resistance level, and trying to pick the proper zone properly based upon how you are correlating with the, we need to correlate with the USD price, you need to correlate with the euro price. All these are only gold charts alone. It is nowhere related to USD against the forex market also. So you can go and watch your gold in quoted in euro. You will get something clear, some direction, which is most probably correlating with the MCX prices. And another major important thing is that today we have a lot of news that is coming into the market in the evening session, like a GDP report, and everything is there around 5-6 p.m. So that can also provide some market volatility. So today what we expect is that it is showing some clear trend direction, because a price breakout above this zone, because it is this zone 29,160 and 220. This is acting as a major resistance. If the price is going to break this, it is going to be another huge gain in gold market. But the important another thing is that whenever the market gold can provide you good profit, but only for clients who is having sufficient funds. Given the price volatility, you cannot withstand without minimum margin. Given maintaining a margin is not sufficient, gold trading requires sufficient funds and requires some skills. Please contact us if you are a follower, if you are a viewer following our presentations. Please do contact us. We will clarify all your doubt, and we will get, and please get trained like a professional. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.